Hi foodies, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, hi there, my name is Mawuena. Welcome to our foodie world where we bring you simple, relatable homemade meals. We are back again with another video, and today we are making Ademedesi, the Togolese style. Stay tuned and let's get right into it. We start off by picking the leaves. That's the best way I could describe this process. So you separating the bad ones from the good ones. We also blended our garlic, ginger and onion. Our neatly washed proteins. We added our seasoning, which is garlic, ginger and onion, salt, shrimp cube and blended pepper. Okay, we are using Wele, crabs, herrings and smoked mackerel, or what we call in Ghana salmon, and then we steam it for some few minutes. We then boil water. We put salt, bitter or kanwe in the water and also add bakposhito or green habanero pepper and momoni or fermented fish. Once the water boils, add in your neatly washed jute leaves or ademe or ayoyo, and then you cover it. Now let's talk about how when you're working with leaves you use a lot and then they shrink like this. Once it boils over, with your ladle you beat the leaves. Okay, this helps the leaves to break down into smaller pieces and also introduces more slime into the leaves. Once you're done with that process, this particular soup is fast, so you have to make sure you've prepped all your ingredients down. Okay, then you transfer your steamed proteins into the boiled leaves. Stir to mix them all up together. All ingredients used will be in the description below, so do well to check it out. Moving on, we add shrimp cube, and because our steamed proteins had seasoning, so you need to taste for salt. If you need more, that's when you go ahead and add some salt. At this point, we added a little palm oil. It's totally optional. If you want your Ademedetsi purely green without any form of color, you can omit the palm oil. The palm oil also adds a little bit of flavor to it. Okay, and then we went ahead and added small blended garlic, ginger and onion. Because our proteins was already seasoned, we didn't need much. We added sliced onions and bakposhito. We didn't add pepper too because of the proteins that we added. It was already seasoned with a lot of pepper. And then once you add your onions, just allow it to simmer for about a minute or two and your soup is ready. What would you be serving this with? Thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to the channel and don't forget to share and comment if you love this recipe. We'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.